Today's video is about digital marketing. I'm going to tell you everything about digital marketing. Digital marketing is more than just a buzzword, it is the heartbeat of today's business world. As technology evolves, so does the way companies connect with their audiences. In this video, we explore what digital marketing is, its various components, and how businesses can harness its power to drive growth and success. Digital marketing refers to all marketing efforts that use an electronic device or the internet. Businesses leverage digital channels such as search engines, social media, email, and other websites to connect with current and prospective customers. Unlike traditional marketing methods, digital marketing allows for targeted, measurable, and interactive ways to reach and engage with audiences. Digital marketing is a vast field encompassing multiple strategies and channels. Here are the core components that make up a robust digital marketing strategy. Search engine optimization, SEO, is the practice of optimizing a website to rank higher in search engine results pages, SERPs. This involves using relevant keywords, creating high-quality content, and ensuring the website is technically sound to provide a seamless user experience. SEO is crucial because it increases visibility, driving organic traffic to the website. Content marketing is the strategy of creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and engage a clearly defined audience. The goal is to drive profitable customer action. Content can take many forms, including blogs, videos, infographics, podcasts, and ebooks. The key is to provide content that meets the needs of your audience and offers solutions to their problems. Social media marketing involves using platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and others to promote products or services. It's a powerful tool for building brand awareness, engaging with customers, and driving traffic to a website. By leveraging social media, businesses can create a community around their brand, foster relationships, and promote customer loyalty. Pay-per-click, PPC Advertising is a model where advertisers pay a fee each time their ad is clicked. Essentially, it's a way of buying visits to your site rather than attempting to earn them organically. Google Ads is one of the most popular forms of PPC, allowing businesses to bid on keywords and display ads on Google's search engine results page. When done correctly, PPC can be a cost-effective way to drive traffic and conversions. Email marketing is one of the oldest forms of digital marketing, but remains one of the most effective. It involves sending targeted emails to potential and current customers. Emails can range from promotional messages to newsletters, providing a direct line of communication to inform customers about new products, special offers, or company news. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing where businesses reward affiliates partners for each visitor or customer brought in through their marketing efforts. This strategy leverages the influence of individuals or companies to reach a broader audience and drive more sales. Influencer marketing focuses on using key leaders or influencers to drive a brand's message to a larger audience. Influencers are individuals who have a large following on social media or other online platforms and can sway their audience's purchasing decisions. By partnering with influencers, brands can increase visibility and credibility in the market. Mobile marketing targets users on their smartphones, tablets, or other mobile devices. This can include SMS marketing, mobile app advertising, and mobile-optimized websites. With more people accessing the internet via mobile devices than ever before, mobile marketing is essential for reaching a modern audience. Video marketing involves creating and sharing videos to promote a product or service. Videos can be a compelling way to engage customers, tell your brand story, and showcase products in action. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram offer great opportunities for businesses to reach a wide audience with engaging video content. Analytics and data insights are critical for understanding the effectiveness of digital marketing efforts. Tools like Google Analytics, Social Media Insights, and Email Marketing Analytics provide valuable data on how campaigns perform. This information is essential for making informed decisions and optimizing marketing strategies for better results. Digital marketing offers numerous benefits over traditional marketing methods. Here are some of the most significant advantages. Digital marketing is generally more cost-effective than traditional marketing. Many digital marketing strategies, such as SEO, content marketing, and social media marketing, can be done with a minimal budget. Even paid advertising options like PPC offer flexible budgeting options to suit different financial capabilities. One of the greatest advantages of digital marketing is the ability to measure results accurately. Businesses can track metrics such as website traffic, conversion rates, and social media engagement, allowing them to gauge the success of their marketing efforts and adjust strategies accordingly. Digital marketing allows businesses to reach a highly targeted audience. Whether through PPC, social media ads, or email marketing, companies can target specific demographics, interests, and behaviors, ensuring their marketing message reaches the right people. Digital marketing enables direct interaction with customers through social media, blogs, and other online platforms. This fosters a deeper relationship between the brand and the customer, leading to increased loyalty and advocacy. Digital marketing campaigns can be easily adjusted based on real-time feedback and data. This flexibility allows businesses to quickly respond to market changes, customer preferences, and new opportunities. Creating a successful digital marketing strategy requires careful planning and execution. Here are some steps to consider. Clearly define what you want to achieve with your digital marketing efforts. Whether it's increasing brand awareness, driving more traffic to your website, or boosting sales, having specific goals will guide your strategy. Know who your target audience is and understand their needs, preferences, and behaviors. This will help you create content and choose channels that effectively reach and engage your audience. Select the digital marketing channels that align with your goals and audience. Whether it's SEO, social media, or email marketing, focus on the channels that will yield the best results for your business. Content is the backbone of any digital marketing strategy. Create valuable, relevant, and engaging content that addresses your audience's needs and drives them to take action. Continuously monitor your digital marketing efforts using analytics tools. Track key performance indicators, KPIs, and adjust your strategy as needed to improve results. Digital marketing is an essential component of any modern business strategy. By understanding its various components and benefits, businesses can create effective strategies that drive growth and success in today's competitive marketplace.